It's been a year, but like any good gardener knows, when the going gets tough, the tough get growing. And our plant passion has grown in so many new ways this year. Like building a new website, making informational videos hosted by our head grower and gardener, and not to mention free at-home delivery. And wow, did you all take advantage of our landscaping services? From planting trees to weekly maintenance, we were very happy to help. And it's been awesome having you shop safely in person from our vast selection of seasonal plants. It might be winter, but don't let your plant passion go dormant. Starting February 4th, we'll be offering a reservation service online and in person at our retail center for you to order spring essentials and exclusive items available locally only at Frost Farms. So you can be ready for another great growing season. From all of us at Frost Farms, thank you, and we'll see you soon.